Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. Today I will the presentation about the title the use of language games in enhancing speaking skill. Before starting the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Esturamdani and also my teammate Fajri Maulana. Let's begin the presentation. Next, research introduction. First, the problem. This research stem from that speaking is an important part of human communication, even more so than reading or writing. However, many learners, especially this learning as a second language, in this experience difficulties in speaking skill. They often feel a lack of confidence and anxiety when it comes to speaking. And the definition of speaking skill is in this context, there is productive skill, which is the ability to express thoughts and ideas clearly. Next, the second, I will explain for the solution. As a solution, this study proposed the use of language games. With games, the process of learning to speak become more interesting, such as fun and not scary. So, students are more courageous to speak. And third, the previous studies I will explain that also support this solution. Many previous studies have shown the use of language games can improve speaking skill, such as increase learning motivation and reduce student anxiety. Research objective. I will explain. In this study, there are two main objectives that guides the research. And this first to determine the effectiveness to determine of the effectiveness of language games. To find out if language games can really to improve student speaking ability. Second, to explore student experiences when playing language games. To understand the student feeling, the challenges they face and the benefit they feel during the activity. The next, I will explain for the last research question. This study aims to answer to main question. First, how effective are language games in improving learners' speaking skill? Second, what are the learners' experiences when playing the games? Based on the discussion from before, I will explain now due to the research review related literature. In this study, there are some key theories used with language acquisition and the role of the games in learning. First, the study is the communicative approach, which is language learning that emphasizes the use language for real communication, not just memorizing language structure. Second, in addition, the concept of language games is introduced, which is combines element of play with language learning, so that learning becomes more interesting such as relax and increasing motivated in increase motivation.
This is research method. Wait, I got a question. Did you guys familiar about the step? Like how many steps that include in research method? No. So let me tell you. The first one is design. For the design, research employs a systematic review methodology. For the research site and participant, the study's review include participants from primary, secondary, and tertiary level who are learning English as second languages. And then for the third one is data collection. Data was collected from International Online Bibliographic Database. First one is Google Scholar, and the second one is IORIC, stand for Education Researchers Information Center. So this is the focusing on for review journals and conference proceeding. And the last one is data analysis. Actually, we use quantitative method. Let's move to the other one. This is research finding. So basically, in the research finding, we got already like solution from the problem that we faced before. This is several benefit or solution that we found. The first one is language games significantly enhance student speaking skill, increase motivation, and also reduce anxiety. Wait, have you guys feel anxiety when we had a conversation with others? Like when we speak or maybe like say something, we always feel anxiety because like vocabulary or something. So from the learning language game, this is can helps you a lot. And the last one is like positive experience and also confident, because like when we playing game, but we can learn at the same times. Yeah, like that. As you can see, conclusion. For the conclusion, the study concludes that language games are effective tools for improving speaking skill among English as a second languages learners. So the first one is language game helps improve speaking skill. They make learning fun and relaxing. Game encourage real life communication, and also they fit different style learning. Like when we playing game, but you can learn at the same time. This is good. Yeah, actually, this is good for us. And the last one is game increase student interest and speaking ability. Like there is a lot of people love and playing game a lot, but there is some not some, like there is a lot of benefit that you can get from learning game. I mean learning language game. So yep, this is the end. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys can a lot of good things from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.